Hi.
There's Liberty with her sparkler, and there's Kyle.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
A-N-G.
Are you doing COVID distancing or what, you two?
Yeah.
Incendio.
Vada cadaver.
Well, you're supposed to be on fire right now. Lumos.
Oh, mine's gone out.
Already?
Yeah. What do you expect for 50p?
All out. Bye bye.